RS codes are non-binary PCH codes. For RS codes, n is equal to q minus 1, where q is number of elements in the Galois field and n is number of bits in the code word. N minus k is equal to 2tc. Tc is number of errors to be corrected. K is the number of bits in the message word. Hamming distance minimum is 2tc plus 1. Let us take one example. Here I am giving the brief idea about how to solve these types of examples, but calculations I am not explaining you, because that is already covered in cyclic codes or Galois field calculations. So here is one example. Design 7,3 double error correcting code. Find systematic code for message alpha, alpha cube, alpha raised to 5. So first here I want to I just want to tell you that how to write this message as a message polynomial. For that you have to write alpha plus alpha cube x plus alpha raised to 5 x square. So this becomes your message polynomial. Then what is systematic code? Systematic code is one where the message bits are followed by the message bits are followed by the parity bits. So you can distinguish between message and parity bits in systematic code. So first step is n equal to 7, that means q is equal to n plus 1, q is equal to 8. So you have to use the Galois field 8, that means g of 2 raised to 3. Now there are two polynomials you can use as a primitive for the Galois field 8. One is x cube plus x plus 1, another is x cube plus x square plus 1. I have used here x cube plus x plus 1 and accordingly found the table of the Galois field elements. So this is the representation of the field elements in terms of powers of primitive element, and this is the representation in terms of polynomial form. And this is the binary representation where 1 is represented as 0, 0, 1, alpha is 0, 1, 0. This term is for 1 or 0, this term is for alpha, this term is for alpha square. Like this here, alpha square plus alpha plus 1, so triple 1. Alpha square plus alpha, so 1, 1, 0. So here also I just want to tell you that after alpha 6 the values are repeating. So alpha 6, then alpha raised to 7 comes here, alpha raised to 8 comes here, alpha raised to 9, alpha raised to 10, 11, 13, 12, 13. Next 14, 15, 16. That means alpha raised to 0 is equal to alpha raised to 7 is equal to alpha raised to 14. Likewise. So this is also important for because that is required for your calculations. Now you have to find generator polynomial. Here there are two errors, so you have to go up to alpha raised to 2tc. That means 2 into 2, 4. X plus alpha square plus x into x plus alpha cube into x plus alpha raised to 4. These calculation I am not going to explain you, because these are there or you have done much practice on this calculation in cyclic codes chapter. So here for doing the calculation this table is used. Now if there are 3 errors, here there will be alpha raised to 6. That means you have to go from alpha square cube 4, 5, 6. So after doing the calculation you will get gx as this one, 4 cube. Now one thing is that why there are alpha cube and alpha such terms are there, because this is a non-binary BCH code. That means coefficient can be anything than 0 and 1. In binary BCH codes the coefficient is only 1 or 0. That means magnitude is only 1 or 0. So there are terms like alpha cube, alpha. Now dx we have already written as alpha raised to 5 x square plus alpha cube x plus alpha. For finding the systematic code you need x raised to n minus k. So x raised to 7 minus 3 is 4. Now for finding x systematic code you have to divide x raised to n minus k into dx by gx. So this term is x raised to n minus k into dx. You have to multiply x raised to 4 to this term, that means to this dx. So you got this one. Now you have to divide this with your gx is this one. So this was also done by you in cyclic code chapter. So first term only I will explain. So here alpha raised to 5 x raised to 6 is there, and here x raised to 4 is there. So division would be alpha raised to 5 into x square. You have to do the division in such a way, or here you have to find the term here in such a way that you will get here the term alpha raised to 5 into x raised to 6. So alpha raised to 5 x raised to 4 into x square is 4 plus 2 is 6. So alpha raised to 5 x raised to 6. Then you have to do the multiplication with this term to all the factors here, to all the terms here. So you will do all these calculations, and finally you will get remainder as x cube alpha raised to 6 alpha raised to 4 x square alpha square x plus 1. Now cx is x raised to n minus k into dx plus remainder. So x raised to n minus k dx is this term, alpha raised to 5 x 6 alpha cube x raised to 5 alpha x raised to 4, and remainder is x cube alpha raised to 6 alpha raised to 4 x square alpha square x plus 1. So how to write this code? This code is, first you have to write this term, that means 1, so alpha raised to 0, then its coefficient alpha square, then alpha raised to 4, then x cube coefficient alpha raised to 6, x raised to 4 alpha, x raised to 5 alpha cube, x raised to 5, x raised to 5 is there, no? Oh, so here x raised to 6 is there, sorry, here it is x raised to 6. Because here you can see here x raised to 6 is there, then x5 x4. So alpha cube alpha raised to 5, that means you have to go like this while writing the code. Now you have to see alpha raised to 0 is 0 0 1, alpha square is 1 0 0, alpha raised to 4 is 1 1 0. Likewise you can write the code. Now you can see that for one bit or one symbol is of 3 bits. One symbol is of 3 bits in RS code, because yellow is filled 2 raised to 3. That means one symbol you are representing as with respect to 3 bits. Now if they have asked you to find the non-systematic code, then you have to directly multiply this dx and gx, then you will get non-systematic code. Okay, thank you.